Okay, we have the gas lower than the generator. Make sure the fuel pump's working. Hooked up to the battery. We have 0 voltage. Everything's clicked on. Let's start it up. Well, that didn't start. Let's try again. Started right up, 122 volts, it showed. This thing's good. Time to put the lid back on, get ready to take it back to its location. I have video of the other stuff I've done. I'll upload that over time because I'm not good at editing videos. But what we did is we replaced this whole harness. It was quite the pain, but it is done. It is working. Mobile Service Guys out.